This is the design studio where we do most of the puja room designing. Akshay, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఇవాళ? Lakshmi madam, huh? Very interesting customer. She wanted to repurpose her old puja room and redo it. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఇప్పుడు? This is one of our favorite customers. She did a part of a puja room and then she wanted to basically do a renovation. This is one of its kind design studio. This is where we do master patterns for large size temples, anything that has to do with special structures. This is where we make it. Let's go and see how the woodworking is done. This is where we do all the woodwork, 4 sections marking 4 different puja rooms being done at any given point of time. We try to finish the work in 25 to 30 days. All the carvings once done by machine is then we get a hand carving personnel to basically deepen these carvings. That's one of the reasons why you will see our carvings are much more deeper than the general products that you get out there. This is a pillar carved on a machine, and then a traditional craftsman with legacies of history would then recarve it. One of the reasons why it looks the way it does is our sanding technique is quite unique compared to a lot of other products out there in the market. We sand it to fine perfection. All the wood that is seasoned comes here. How do we know that it is seasoned? We use a moisture meter to make sure that there's no moisture trapped. If you are looking for a stone puja room, whether it is for your house, your farmhouse, a hospital, or a hotel, we at Svvayam will design and manufacture the puja room. This is one of our yards where we do all the stone carvings. And whether it is a large sculpture or a temple pillar, this is how we carve it.